This keyboard looks and feels like a premium $150 build, but it's not. It's a $40 and it has magnetic switches, up to 8000 Hz polling and fully customizable RGB. So what is the catch? So in the box you get the keyboard, a detachable USB-C cable and a quick start guide. First impressions: light, plasticky but clean, no flags, the stabilizers actually solid. This thing actually looks dope. I've tested at $200 boards that have worse lighting, and this one customizable, bright, reactive. The Mat 60 has Hall effect magnetic switches, just like the Wooting 60 HE. You configure Actuation point down to 0.1mm, that means instant input the moment you touch a key. In the games like Valorant or CS2, you actually feel the speed. There's no delay, it's like cheating. Legally. Now let's test the sound. I also compare it to my AGS AK650. Here's the full specs rundown, if you're wondering what you actually get. You've got a Gateron magnetic Hall effect switches, adjustable Actuation from 1.0 to 4mm, a blazing 8000 Hz polling rate, full RGB lighting with per key customization, Nike rollover onboard memory, and yes, it's fully compatible with both Windows and Mac. Of course, it's not perfect, the cable feels cheap, the RGB isn't super accurate, and the stock sound kind of hollow. You'll wanna mod it. For under $50, the Mat 60 HE RGB is insane value. If you're not gamer on a budget, this is your board. And if you want a full modding guide, you know what to do.